Hi guys, welcome back to the Homestead. I'm glad you're here today. I wanted to mention something about what's called earthing or grounding. We're big believers in using the earth, the natural herbs, natural healing, functional medicine, homeopathic medicines for our own health and well-being here on the homestead. One of the things I've discovered is grounding and earthing. And using grounding and earthing, I have found many benefits from doing this. Walking in the ground, working on the grass, barefoot, spending some time just with sitting in a chair with my feet on the ground, just barefoot, and also working in the soil as a gardener and homesteader. I'm always in contact with the earth. But when I sleep, I'm not in contact with the earth. And they have these things called grounding sheets, and they also have grounding mats, but grounding sheets you put on your bed, and you are connected to Earth's ground while you sleep. So it's really important to connect to the earth and the earth's natural electrical field is similar to, as I said, to walking barefoot outside. Some of the benefits include improved sleep quality, reducing inflammation by what it typically does is neutralizes free radicals in the body. Sleeping with grounding sheets or earthing sheets reduces stress, reduces inflammation, reduces the stress by activating the parasympathetic nerve system. A lot of people report pain relief due to the anti-inflammatory effects of grounding sheets, improved circulation and blood flow, improved healing. No matter what the healing circumstances are, the grounding and earthing sheets can help with that. Enhanced mental well-being and reduced anxiety. So many people these days face different mental issues and anxiety type issues, but there are lots of reports out there that the grounding sheets can help with that. Improved hormone balance in the body, including testosterone. It's very important to maintain the hormone balance in your body. That also helps with your mental well-being as well. I discovered a new company, and if you go to shophealnaturally.com, you can order your own set of grounding sheets. And these are really, really nice. The shipping came quickly. When I received them, I opened it up, and I had this little card that says "Open Me." There's a QR code there, and it's from the owner. So basically, he's saying that he appreciates your business. This is a family-owned U.S. company. He's trying to improve the lives of people around the world. The other thing I received in there was this never-ending warranty card. There's a QR code on this, and you scan that, and you get what's called their never-ending warranty. So be sure to register for that. This thing is super easy to use. Basically, the instructions are install it on your mattress. Having said that, when I ordered this, they ask you the size of the bed, and they want you to measure the thickness of the mattress because these things are custom made to fit very well. So you install the bed sheet, you plug in the connector. When you plug in the bed sheet, you want to make sure that the snap-on connector on the sheet is close to an outlet that you can plug into. Plug in the connector, plug into the grounding port, which is your electric outlet, and go to sleep. And you can get the benefits I mentioned earlier from using grounding sheets. So many people don't have the opportunity to do earthing or grounding naturally outside. So this is another way to improve and enhance your health by doing that. So I can't wait to get this installed on our bed. There's an outlet tester included in that. That's wild. And then there is the little grounding port, the cord that plugs into it. We've been using one of these for a long time, and I highly recommend it. But shophealnaturally.com and order your grounding sheets. I think you'll be glad you did. So shop these guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Be sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for when we put out new content. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.